Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make a flavorful German brewery goulash. This dish is an absolutely crowd pleaser that you should serve at your next dinner party. Heat the Butterschmalz on high heat in a large pot. You will find the recipe for Butterschmalz in the link below the video, but you can also use oil and butter instead. Then add the beef and fry until browned on all sides. My meat released a lot of water, but there is no need to drain it. This recipe works very well with game meat too. Add salt, pepper, paprika powder, caraway seeds and mix everything well. Then add the tomato paste, the mustard, honey and garlic paste and let simmer on medium-high. In the meantime, peel the carrots, clean the leek and peel the onion. Finely cube the onion, shred the carrots and cut the leek finely. Add the vegetables and the beer to the meat and simmer for about 2 hours with a closed lid. Serve with Spaetzle, dumplings or Salzkartoffeln. The recipes for all these sides you will find below this video. Guten Appetit!